Hello everyone, my name is Yonela. I'm a homeschooling mama of three kiddos, but in today's video it's not about homeschooling, it's about small vanity area using small space. I have been redecorating my bedroom and I didn't have a space to put on my makeups. I have created a new space and decided to put it on a video, so I hope you're gonna enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. So I've got this space where I had my 2021 vision board. I'm thinking of moving it and put it there in that little space, which is closer to my bed. So when I'm in my bed, I'll be able to see my vision board right there. And that's a door leading to my ensuite. That's the space I want to use for my makeup. And that other door is where it leads to the passage. I'm worried about that plug. I'm a bit worried about that switch right there because that's where I plan to put my mirror, but I hope my carpentry is gonna make some plan about it. Let's wait and see. Voila, here is the first attempt. My floating shelf is right there. I got the chair and the mirror has fitted perfectly. Now I'm gonna put in a mat. Ta-da! I love it, I like it. I'm not sure about the blue chair though. I wish I could have a white one, but I'll see what I can do. Ta-da! Here is my makeup table. Question is, do I like it? No, I don't. I feel like it is too crowded. So my plan is to get a new shelf. Is that I put it right there or on top of the mirror. So let's see how it goes. I managed to get another shelf. Very cute, a small one than the first one. I got it at Mr. Price Home for 159 Rand. So affordable. Then I came with a plan for my chair. Just wait and see. I'm about to DIY. Here is my guy again. He came from my house to sort something on my ceiling. And I was like, come on, Jesus loves me. Oh, Jesus loves me. Ta-da! Done. I love it. I like it. So now I'm about to style my makeup table. Just wait and see.